don't cut this loaf in half. Just stick it in the pan. I didn't realize that this was a recipe for 1 loaf. I thought it was for 2. You know, this is going to happen a lot when you're cooking. Stuff's going to not turn out exactly how you thought it was going to be, and that's okay. Just go ahead, try your best, do it up anyways. More than likely, it'll taste good, because that's how things work out when you're cooking. They don't always look great, but you know, most times they taste great. So enjoy. Thanks for watching this far. Like and subscribe to the video. Feel free to share. Eat dang foods.